Hello and welcome to our video on the topic, would the metaverse change the world? The metaverse is a term used to describe a fully immersive virtual world where people can interact with each other and with digital objects in a highly interactive way. In this video, we will explore the potential impact of the metaverse on various aspects of our lives, including the economy, education, and social interactions. Section 1: Economic Impact. One potential impact of the metaverse is on the economy. The metaverse could create new job opportunities and industries related to virtual world creation, design, and maintenance. We could see a new generation of creators, developers, and entrepreneurs who specialize in creating virtual content and experiences for the metaverse. The metaverse could also change the way people shop and consume products, as more transactions could occur within the virtual world. This could lead to a shift away from traditional brick-and-mortar stores towards virtual storefronts and marketplaces. As a result, we could see a disruption in the retail industry, with new players emerging in the virtual world. Section 2: Educational Impact. The metaverse could transform education and training by providing highly interactive and immersive learning experiences. Students could explore virtual environments and interact with digital objects to gain a deeper understanding of various subjects. This could provide a new platform for collaborative learning and could enhance the overall quality of education. Additionally, the metaverse could potentially provide greater access to education for people who live in remote or underserved areas. Students who are unable to attend traditional schools due to geographical or financial barriers could participate in virtual classrooms and learn from anywhere in the world. Section 3: Social Impact. The metaverse could provide a new platform for people to connect and interact with each other, regardless of their physical location. It could enable people to explore different identities and experiment with different ways of being. This could potentially lead to a more diverse and inclusive society, where people are free to express themselves without fear of judgment or discrimination. However, the metaverse also raises concerns around privacy, data security, and the potential for addiction and escapism. It is important to consider these issues as the metaverse continues to develop and become more widely used. Conclusion. In conclusion, the metaverse has the potential to significantly change the world in many ways. It could create new job opportunities and industries, transform education and training, and provide a new platform for social interaction. However, it is important to consider the potential risks and challenges associated with the metaverse, including privacy and security concerns, as we continue to explore this emerging technology. Thank you for watching this video on the topic, would the metaverse change the world? We hope you found it informative and thought-provoking. See you in the next video.